Hello everyone, this is Tony. Last time we have learned how a step motor works. Today we will study what is the structure of a step motor. Let's see a brief introduction first. Front and rear bearing, shaft, rotor pieces, magnetic steel pieces, stator in element wire, front and rear cover. You have seen a rough composition of a step motor. Now I will take our NEMA 23 step motor with encoder as an example for you to tell you something in detail. First, look at the step motor stator. Inside the stator, we use pure copper envelopment wire. That makes the motor with long using life. Then, these are bearings. The bearings brand which we use is NMB. It is an excellent brand as you know. Because of this step motor with high quality bearings will work in low noise and higher working speed. Next, it is a motor rotor. The rotor consists of shaft, rotor pieces, and magnetic steel pieces. About the magnetic steel pieces, we choose high quality grade magnetic steel. This greatly increases the motor working torque. At last, as I just said at the beginning, this is a step motor with encoder. So encoder is a very important part. We use 1000 lines optical encoder, and the encoder reader head is import brand Kodenshi. High quality encoder ensures the motor working with higher precision. Compared with normal step motor without an encoder, step motor with encoder, we also call it a closed loop step motor. It is never lose steps and with higher torque than open loop step motor. So, if you are still upset for motor losing steps and not enough torque, choose our closed loop step motor. Your problems will be perfectly solved. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.